Hi everyone. So today I am going to unbox Hacksquad Swag. Hacksquad Swag is finally here, the first ever swag of Hacksquads. Okay, so it's right in front of me. So we are going to unbox this. So in November 10, 2022, Hacksquad sent us the mail about the swag and we filled the form. So and today on March 30 here at Nepal, I just received the swag. So let's unbox it together. Okay, let's see how will it be. What are there inside here in the box? The box is well packaged, so probably there are some interesting stuffs. I don't know from where I need to unbox it. Oh yeah, let's see.
A few moments later. A few inches later.
I don't know from where I need to open it. Should I tear it out? Oh, peel here. Okay. So here are some like stuffs or some documents from the DHL. So here are some details here. Look. What is here? Sweatshirt made of cotton, polyester, mug made of ceramic, and polyester cotton blend t-shirt, cardstock. Wow. I guess from these whatever invoice I found there are 4 items here.
Oh my god! Wow!
Here. So let's see if I see any other. Okay. Let's do it quickly. I tear it out, okay? So here it is. The swag is here. You are a winner. Thank you, Hacksquad. Okay, thank you for participating in Hacksquad 2022. We have a cool surprise. Nice. Oh yeah, this is the first one. Okay, let's see. This looks like a sweat t-shirt. I guess, yeah, sweatshirt. Wow. Woo! Cool one. Nice one. Look. Isn't it amazing? I guess this looks much better than this. This is the Oktoberfest 2021 t-shirt. So I guess I will be wearing this from now on. Interesting, isn't it? Yeah, good. And the next one, what might it be? Ta-da-da. This is Hacksquad hoodie. Okay, yo, Hacksquad 2022 hoodie is finally here. So yeah, the hoodie is here. And the last one, what is it? This is the cup. Okay, let's open it too. The cup. Yo, it is here. I should keep it over here. Okay, the cup is also here. So you need to do this. Without this, the unboxing doesn't matter much. Okay, so the cup is also here. Wow, nice one. Wow, yo, Hacksquad cup. Nice. Thank you so much, Hacksquad team, for all this amazing swag, and it was very wonderful participating during the Hacksquad event on the October 2022. Hope to participate more in the events the days to come. Bye bye.
1 minute 37 seconds later.
I just tried this Hacksquad swags, like the sweatshirt is inside here. So yeah, here is sweatshirt and this is hoodie, And yeah, I have cup here, so let's have some sip of water from here. Okay. Oh no, I don't have any water here.